and Jessica are going to sing She Will Be Loved by Maroon 5.
Yeah. So perfect right now. Hope you guys like it. Only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day at the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. And she will be loved. Come and knock on my door. I want to make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise that moves us along. Yeah. Heart is full and my door's always open. You can come anytime you want. Yeah. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look at the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. And she will be loved. Will be loved. And she will be loved. I know where you hide, alone in your car. Know all the things that make you who you are. I know that goodbye means nothing at all. Come back and makes me to catch her every time she falls. The window knock on my door. Want to make you feel beautiful. I don't mind spending every day out in the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. And she will be loved. She will be loved. And she will be loved. So good every day. Try so hard